Okay, we're back over in our new JHU. We want to make a change in deaths by by date. And so we're going to have to do a little bit of manipulation here. I'm going to change the sheet 1. I'm going to click on it lightly, half double click, and we're going to do main data so that we know that's our data. We know our links are here, but we have our main data and our links. What we're going to do here is we're going to select, and there are probably some slicker ways to do this, but we're going to select all that data. We're going to do a Control-C. We're going to come over to a new sheet. We're going to go to Paste and Special, Values, and Transpose. And we're going to delete population and total deaths. And we're going to rename this date. So we have total deaths by date here. And heading out to Wyoming. All right, so if we wanted to do total deaths here, again, we're going to insert, and we'll do total deaths. And we click our auto summer and drag across to the end and hit a return. And so there's 132 deaths on our earliest date. We didn't start as early as we could have, probably should have gone to, say, the 1st, but we see our total deaths increasing to 75,000, and that should be a reasonable item to a reasonable way to plot it. We might want to turn our date back to a date here, but we're going to try plotting this anyway. So we have this, which we should be able to plot in DataWrapper adequately. We're going to try cut and paste this time to see if we can save ourselves the hassle of creating a new CSV. So we're just going to try that to create our deaths. Well, that's total deaths. We're going to do an insert here as well, and we're going to do new deaths. And we're simply going to go up 1 and go equal B3 minus B2. All right, and that shows us our new deaths, and we slide down pretty quickly. We're up to 2,000. We bounce around, and we've been at 2,000 for quite some time. Notice that there were some 2,800s, some ups and downs, and that sort of thing. But we've been at 2,000 deaths a day for some time. And we took out the unassigned ones here, so it'll be slightly different. You can go back and change that if you like. So we're going to select those 3 columns. We'll do a Control-C. We've already published and embedded that, so we're going to do a new chart. And we're going to paste our data in here and proceed. And that looks about right. So we have total deaths and new deaths there. So we should be able to proceed with that and create a graph. All right, there's our total deaths and our new deaths. We could do one or the other, but we want to do new deaths here. So we're going to refine that.